Welcome back, coffee lovers. Today we're making a rich and refreshing caramel sweet cream Nitro-style cold brew that's smooth, creamy, and bursting with Coffeehouse flavor. With bold cold brew coffee, silky sweet cream, and buttery caramel, this homemade recipe is incredibly satisfying and surprisingly simple to prepare. Let's create a café-quality drink you'll want to enjoy every single day. Ingredients: 1 cup cold brew coffee, well-chilled 1/4 cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup whole milk, 2 tablespoons caramel syrup, 1 tablespoon vanilla syrup, 1 cup ice cubes, caramel drizzle for garnish, pinch of sea salt. Directions: begin by preparing the sweet cream. In a small bowl or frothing pitcher, combine the heavy cream, whole milk, vanilla syrup, and 1 tablespoon of caramel syrup. Froth the mixture using a handheld milk frother or whisk until it becomes light, smooth, and slightly thickened. Fill a tall serving glass with ice cubes and pour the chilled cold brew coffee over the ice. Stir in the remaining tablespoon of caramel syrup until it dissolves completely, creating a rich caramel coffee base. Slowly pour the sweet cream over the top of the cold brew. The cream will gently cascade through the coffee, creating a beautiful layered appearance, similar to a Nitro-style cafe drink. Finish with a drizzle of caramel sauce over the cream, and add a tiny pinch of sea salt if you enjoy a lightly salted caramel flavor. Serve immediately without stirring for the full visual effect, or mix gently before drinking for a creamy, balanced flavor. Every sip delivers smooth cold brew, velvety sweet cream, and rich caramel sweetness, making this refreshing homemade beverage a perfect morning pick-me-up or afternoon coffee indulgence. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this caramel sweet cream Nitro-style cold brew. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more delicious coffee recipes. Until next time, stay refreshed, keep brewing, and enjoy every sip. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.